If you are a parent of a child experiencing any form of developmental disabilities, then life skills are the most important skills you must be teaching your children. If you want to know what are these life skills and learn more about it, then this is the right place. My channel, Dignity in Disability, will not only give you information on life skills, but will do much, much, much more. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel Dignity in Disability. I'm Anuradha Deshpande, mother of a young man experiencing intellectual disability, a banker turned clinical psychologist, counselor, and a remedial educator, and now a digital coach. Founder of Care and Care Life Skill Academy, I am on a mission to empower 100,000 parents of children experiencing any form of developmental disabilities to help them navigate into a world of dignity and independence through my Care Life Skill curriculum. Through my channel Dignity in Disability, with my 30 years of experience in the field of disability and disability services, I'll bring it to you informations around developmental disabilities, life skills, and other topics through my two weekly episodes of Tuesday Facts and Friday Facts. In today's Friday Facts, we'll be talking about life skills. And before we go on to learn about life skills, please subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you will be the first person to receive notifications on Tuesday Facts and Friday Facts. What are these life skills? Life skills are those strategies, techniques, and approaches we all use to survive and thrive in our everyday experiences. For most of us, we learn all these skills without even thinking about it. We learn all these skills from our parents and we observe others and learn from them. And we then go on to perfect all of them through trial and error methods. For some of us, these skills don't come very easily. We really struggle to figure out various aspects of it. And we often wonder if only there was somebody who can teach us step by step and in more simple way all these skills. I heard you all. That is the reason I specially brought out all these care life skill curriculum for parents so that your parents can teach you all these skills very easily and help you navigate into a world of independence and dignity. Life skill is a variety of activities, knowledge, and skill that provides important tools to our children to work on the various day-to-day activities and also help them develop into active and productive members of the communities. Life skill also helps your children and prepares them to handle situations where adults are not around to help them. Life skills are not innate. We are not born with these skills. That's a good news because we can learn all these skills very step-by-step manner and so that we can help our children not only able to perform all the day-to-day activities and to be a member of the society and also at workplace, but also make them independent at home. So let us see what are these life skills across various domains. Developmental psychologists have always worked around these four domains of development, that is physical, cognitive, emotional, and social domain. But while I was devising care life skill curriculum, I felt that no child or no individual can reach complete independence unless they have financial freedom. So I included this vocational domain so that our children can be trained to find a job, a vocation, or have some occupational skills so that they can earn for their own family and themselves. So let us see what are those skills in each of these domains. So in physical domain, there are two categories. One is self-care and another is instrumental ideal. Self-care is also called activities of daily living. In self-care skills, we learn skills like ambulatory skills, which helps us to move around places. Secondly, we learn about personal hygiene, where we talk about skills like brushing your teeth, cleaning your face, to managing puberty. Next is dressing skills. Although dressing skill is a complex skill, we should be able to teach our children these skills because it gives them immense pleasure and the attitude of success when they are able to dress themselves. This is a very important psychological and emotional milestone. Next is self-feeding. Feeding oneself is the basic survival skill. That is the reason we should teach this skill to our children. If they are dependent on others for food, then they may go hungry if nobody is around to help them, which is not acceptable. So let us teach them feeding skills. Next is continence or toilet training. Again, this is one of the areas which gives a lot of dignity to our children. You can teach this skill to your child when both of you are ready, you and your child, because this is a skill which needs a lot of time, dedication, and perseverance. Next is managing puberty. Managing puberty is a very delicate and sensitive topic, but it is very pertinent that we teach our children about this so that they learn about sexuality, about taking care of themselves, about managing their sexual urges, and also remain safe and not fall victim to sexual abuse. Then we come to instrumental ideal, where we teach skills around the home like washing clothes, that is laundry skills, then housekeeping skills, and also cooking skills. In cognitive domain skills, we have 4 categories: functional academics, functional training, leisure time activities, and health and safety. Functional training, we learn to navigate around the city, do our own shopping, and spend our leisure time going out and watching a movie or entertaining your friends at a restaurant. All these skills are taught in functional training. In leisure activities, children learn how to manage the leisure time meaningfully and not to indulge in challenging and behaviors not acceptable. In health and safety, we teach children about basic health care and teach them how to go about working on their own safety when they are working in the kitchen or in the garden or interacting with people and strangers. Next is emotional skills. And in emotional skills, we learn about emotions and feeling, self-image and self-awareness, regulation, empathy, and motivation. All these topics are absolutely essential for our children to learn. Motivation drives them to learn many things, and self-regulation helps them to manage their behavior when they are in community, which takes us to the next domain, that is social domain skills. In social domain skills, we teach them about social conventions, how to greet people, how to maintain the personal space, how to respect others' personal space, interpersonal relationship, and also other community living skills. Then finally, in vocational domain skills, we talk about sheltered employment and open employment, which is the ultimate form of independence any person with disability can have. And finally, we talk about self-employment, which has two categories, that is home-based employment opportunities and also individual-based employment opportunity depending upon their individual skills. Finally, if we can build all these skills in our children, we are sure to take them to new heights, and definitely they will be able to lead a life of independence and dignity. So we learned about life skill in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about these skills, then please attend my webinar, which happens every Tuesday and Friday. The link to which is given below. And if you like this video, please share with as many people as you can, and also please give me a thumbs up. You can also visit my website www.anuradhadeshpande.com and join my Facebook group, which is a very safe space for parents and professionals to interact, exchange ideas, and share their victories and jubilation. That's all from Friday Facts. I'll see you in Tuesday Facts with information on self-care skill. See you there.